Project Z28. Working with Rowdy. What's he doing under there, Rowdy?
Trying to get a bolt started in the fuel pump.
Whoa, Nelly. Rowdy's kicking it old school. He wants to make it run and drive it into the garage to put it on the lift. So he prefers to work
on his back.
On his back. That's how he made most of his money in his career.
Horizontal.
Working on a fuel pump. Can't get under there to get much video right now, but just trying to capture this for posterity.
Oh, we're out here in a torrential downpour, getting the old fuel out of the old Z28. Rain running down my back.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
I have a feeling you left this out in the rain.
She is running on her own. Oh, goddamn. First ride in how many years, Rowdy?
Probably 10.
10 years. Fresh back from WD Detailing. They grabbed it out of Rowdy's barn, shined her up as best they could. We've been working on mechanicals the last few days. And now we're going to take her for a little shakedown run. Yes, in.
Great.
Watch the boat.
She's grindy.
We didn't check the air in the tires.
Trainie's slipping.
Is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it's too bad.
Yeah, it is.
Woohoo!
I don't know if we're going anywhere.
What? Let's go down to the lock down there.
You got some ATF?
Is it low?
I'm guessing.
I don't think so. I don't think I have any. Brakes. You got a neutral?
No.
No brakes?
Yeah, we got brake.
What happened? Oh, it's slipping that bad?
We won't go to second.
Oh, you do that. How'd you used to get it to go to third? Got some transmission slippage going on.
I might be low. I wanted to check it when we let it down. I think we got some headlights. We got something.
We got one light.
We got no dash lights. There we go.
Some dash lights.
She running 40 pounds, 45 pounds.
What'd you say earlier about if I'd have told you you'd be driving this Camaro down the road today?
In 2024, I'd have called you a liar.
good wood,
Is
is
that
it?
my good? No.
Never saw your wood.
Shift, baby, shift. I used to be able to hammer it and get it in the...
Feels good going down the road. Well, it looks like we got to do some transmission work now. It's good to hear it run. Sounds like it's running great. Yeah. So we know we at least got to put an exhaust on it. And check out the transmission, see why it's not shifting. And it's a little slippy slip. You better back in. Don't run my hose over. Final thoughts?
Wait a minute.
Final thoughts?
I'm curious on the transmission fluid level. Other than that, I can't believe it's up and running again. Out of the barn and running.
All right, that's all for now. We'll check back in with you later.